Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Roxy Loves Adventure, written by Sudipta Bardhan-Quallen, and illustrated by Leeza Hernandez. Please enjoy. Roxy loves adventures. Roxy was a pug with style, both elegant and classy. She lunged upon her throne and smiled, so happy, spoiled, and gassy. Her treats were kept on hand all day, displayed on silver dishes. Her humans let her have her way. They saw to all her wishes. Pugs like her were meant to be intelligent, adorable, and snuggled. She was made for luxury. She wasn't built for struggle. One day, Roxy broke at dawn. She needed, well, you know, her humans were still snoring on, but she didn't just had to go. She couldn't dwiddle anymore. She had to take a walk. She rushed out through the doggy door, but didn't hear it lock. Click. She spied a spot behind a bush. Soon, Roxy felt relieved. But when she gave the door a push, she stopped in disbelief. It wouldn't move no matter how she shoved or bumped or buckled. Woof! Soon, sweat was beating on her brow. She scrolled and shouted. Stuck. How long would it be? How long would she be trapped outdoors? Her humans couldn't help. Roxy heard their distant snores. I'm on my own, she yelped. No bed, no bowl, no ball, no treat, no daily massacre, no fuzzy slippers for her feet. How could a pug endure? Disparated to escape the wild, she looked for some way back. She spied a window and she smiled. Her humans left it cracked. But pugs were never built to jump. Her legs were far too slumpy. She tried, but landed on her rump. Her failure made her grumpy. Woof. Just then a small truck crossed the road, and Roxy knew for sure that there's a box to unload, perhaps an open door. But pugs were never built for speed. The truck soon backed away. Her racing skills could not succeed, especially not today. Roxy slumped down in the grass, accepting that she failed. She spied her humans through the glass. That's when she heard them. Well, Roxy, treats, Roxy. They needed me. Roxy finally saw. I must find some way back. She pushed the boxes with a paw, and she saw how they stacked. The old pugs were never built to climb. That didn't mean a thing. She would not quit. No, this is not this time. I'll give that bell a ring. The first box wasn't all that bad. She pulled herself up quickly. Oof. The second one made Roxy sad. Ugh. The third one left her sicky. Wooya. But nothing would prevent this pup from submitting that tower. She just had one more box. She climbed up with her last ounce of power. Ding dong, ding dong, the doorbell chimed. As Roxy stretch was falling. Her effort was supremely timed. Soon she fell over, falling. Plop! Oof! Roxy could not quite recall whatever happened next. She woke confused, about to brawl, but then grew quite perplexed. She was no longer in the wild, but home with all her stuff. Filled with pride, she sweetly smiled. She proven pugs are tough. Then fuzzy drinks and tasty treats were served at Roxy's pleasure, with fuzzy slippers on her feet. She felt both loved and treasured. She nestled into bed that night, her heart filled with relaxation. The world outside held no more freight. She needed exploration. Pugs like her were smart to be intelligent. That much was true. She was made for luxury, but for adventure too. Roxy rose before dawn. She leaped out of bed. Her humans were still snoring on. I don't need them, she said. She raced whatever came her way, from snakes to wolves to bears. I know that I'll be brave today. But first, what will I wear? Oh, she's worried about wearing something, huh? For her next adventure. Well, wasn't that a cute story? Well, everybody, if you thought this was a cute story, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other readings here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next reading, they call me Mr. Bookman, and this book reading's over. Have a good one and take care.